Okay, so let me tell you what happened to my nails. So for years now, I've been going to a particular nail salon and I would get gel nails off and on. In 2020 is when I started doing my own gel nails because of what was going on. But then I started going back to the salon. So I went back in July and the person, this person wasn't the one who would always do my gel. It was someone else, but she wasn't there that day. So the person I went to back in July of last year, she filed off the current gel that I had on my nails, but she filed my nails, she filed it down too much and messed up my nails. So hopefully you all can, if you all see those ridges, like this here and this there, this is how much she filed down my nails. So I have like these ridges in my nails and I've been growing them since July of last year. So it's been what, 10 months? So I've been growing them out for what, 9 or 10 months. So I missed having my nails painted, so I started doing my nails again myself. So I put this color on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off and I'm going to show you guys how I do my nails. I have this file here. So one side is 100 and the other side is 180. So I'm going to take the side that's 180. It feels like it's this side. And I'm going to lightly just file over the gel polish here, like so, to kind of break that seal. So when I put the acetone on, it'll seep through and help remove the polish. You see how I kind of just scraped up the top layer? I did that because I want the acetone to get all this nail polish off, this gel nail polish. So the gel nail polish that I have this time is different from what I had 4 years ago. 4 years ago, I was using the Bio Seaweed Gel. But now I'm using, let me show you really quick. I'm using this Beetles and I'll show you guys the colors once I get to that part. It's cheaper than Bio Seaweed Gel. So, and to me, it works just as good. So I bought these foil wraps. I got these on Amazon. I think this package has 200. I'll try to link everything that I'm using in the description of this video. But let me open this up. So here's the foil wrap, and what you do is you put the nail polish remover here and then you wrap this around your nail. But I think for like my thumb and like my middle finger, I might use some cotton ball here. I'll just kind of take it apart a little bit and just put a little bit more acetone on it. So I'll do it like this. So let me grab the acetone. So here is the acetone nail polish remover I have. So let me put some on this cotton. Let me put some on here. So I have some on the cotton, and then I am going to put some on this cotton pad too. Okay, so I have the acetone on here. I'm going to wrap this around my nail. I think I put a little bit too much, but oh well. It'll be okay. So I have this nail wrap, so let me wrap my other 4 nails. I don't want to flip you the bird, but here. I'm wrapping my middle finger. So I also bought these clips to help this stay in place, like if I need to use my hands to do something. So you just take the clip and you just clip it right over the foil. Sorry, that just made the acetone run down my hand. So, whoops. Okay, so let me be a little bit more gentle with this one. So I'm gonna clip this over the foil. I might not even need these, but oh well. Okay, so this one's better. So when I originally did this color, I used some cuticle remover to remove my cuticles. I actually don't like using cuticle remover. I just kind of, if I see some loose or dead skin, I kind of just clip it off. So I'm not going to use the cuticle remover this time. So I'm going to let this sit on my nails for about, I'd say 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'll come back and show you guys. what I'm going to do is I have this tool here. I'm going to scrape off the gel nail polish. Okay, so I have the gel. The gel is removed from my fingers. So I did cut down, this nail right here was broken, so I had to cut it down. And then I did cut down all of these nails here. And then I'm going to cut down these nails too, because I'm trying to get the ridges gone. So let me go ahead and cut it down. Actually, you know what? I shaped my thumb, but now that I look at it again, I need to kind of shape it a little bit better. So let me do that. And then I just do it in one direction, like so. Let me go ahead and shape this too. Let me just go ahead and reshape all of them a little bit. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, I could have did a little bit better. Okay, so now I'm going to cut down. So now I'm going to cut down these nails. This nail already broke. This broke like a couple of weeks ago, but I am going to cut these down kind of short. See, like that. And I like this nail clipper because the clippings stay in this little thing here. Sorry for the helicopters. PG&E, they're doing like aerial views of the area, making sure the power lines are okay, which I'm okay with because we don't want any wildfires this year. So, okay, so I clipped down my nails. So let me go ahead and shape them with the nail file. Unfortunately, when I was taking the gel off this nail, I did kind of scrape this nail up a little bit. I don't know if you all can see. Yeah, it'll be all right though. So I shaped my nails kind of around it. And I don't mind having short nails. To me, it's easier to do stuff. So I shaped my nails. So what I'm going to do now is take this buffer and kind of buff the surface a little bit, like this. I do have some dead skin right here. My cuticle, let me get that off. So let me just clean up a little bit. Let me empty this nail clipper out. You just pull this down and all the clippings empty out. And then to close it, you just turn it like this. And there you go. Actually, you know what? Let me take this and go and run this up under my nails to get any dirt or debris out. Like so. Yeah, you can still, I don't know if you all can see, you can still see the ridge from where she filed my nails down too low. Even here, even this broke one, you can still see the ridge. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, so the gel polish I have is this brand. It's called Beetles, but let me show you. What I like about it is it comes with a whole bunch of different colors. And actually, I got all these. Now the bottles they are small, but I mean, you get all these colors. I think this is 20 if I'm not mistaken. And it's about the same price as the Bio Seaweed gel, so yeah. So anyway, so here are the colors. The last time I had kind of a sparkle, and I did that to help kind of camouflage the ridges. So like I said, I put the sparkle color to kind of help cover up the ridges, but you know, I did cut my nails down really short, so I think I could get away with a solid color. And I'm trying to think what color I want to use. I'm kind of thinking about this blue color or this green color. So let me show you. Here's the green color. It's kind of like a dark green, but now that I look, I do see another green that's kind of pretty. This one, let me see. I can get it open. Ah! Okay. That one. Okay, that's a possibility, but blue is actually my favorite color, so let me see. Let me look at the green one more time. That is pretty, and it is spring. There's an olive green here too. That one. Actually, I do have 2 more of these beetles, so let me pull those out and show you all too. I have another set here. So here's this set of colors. So the color I had on before was this. So I do want to do something different. This has more of like a neutral palette. There is like this turquoise color. Let me show you. Ooh, you know what? That's pretty. I might go with this. Let me make a decision. I'm going to go with this color. And then also what I like about this kit is it comes with foundation base gel, the top coat, and then the matte top coat. Okay, so let me plug in. So I'm going to plug in my UV lamp here, and then I'm going to polish my nails. Okay, so here are my nails. I have the base coat, so let me go ahead and polish my hands with the base coat. Okay, I'm going to put the lid back on here, and my UV light is right here. Right here. I'm going to put this far away. Okay. So here's my UV lamp, and I got this from Amazon. So I am going to put this on for 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm just going to test it. It is a little tacky, but that's okay because this is a base coat. So I have the turquoisey color here. So let me go ahead and apply it to my nails. Okay, screw the top back on, put it far away from the UV lamp, and then I'm going to do this actually for 90 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to put one more coat on. Okay, so here's the second coat. So let me put it in up under the UV lamp for 90 seconds. To be honest, I'm thinking, now that I'm looking, I know it looks a little shiny, but then again, it looks sort of matte. I think I'm going to use that matte top coat. Let's see. I'm going to use the matte top coat on this. Okay, so I have the matte top coat. I'm going to do this, I think, for 120 seconds. And I kind of adjust this according to how the nail polish feels. I'm sure there's a set way you're supposed to do it, but this is the way I do it, so. Okay. Ooh, I like that matte. Can you guys see that? I like that. Oh, wow. Oh man, except for it's a little shiny right there. I missed a spot. Let me just double check. Okay, so I missed a couple spots on the side with the matte nail polish. Yeah, that's pretty. So let me, okay, so what I'm going to do is this little spot that I missed, I'm going to put a little bit more of the matte polish. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put this back under the UV, and then I'll polish this hand and I'll come back and show you guys the finished results. I'm done. I need to go, I need to take out some acetone and kind of clean up my edges a little bit. But yeah, here's the finished look. This is a matte turquoise. And actually my nails, now that I'm looking at it, like I said, the ridges are still kind of there, but since I cut my nails down, they aren't as noticeable. So I'll have this on for 2 weeks, and then I will do this process over again. And it saves me a lot of money because I want to say I was spending about $40 every 2 weeks to get this done. And then I was getting a pedicure on top of it. I know I was spending like 90 bucks for this to get this done and a pedicure every 2 weeks. Now I'm still going to go to the nail salon to get a pedicure because yeah, it's just easier for them to do my pedicure. But for my nails, I'm going to start doing them myself again. Anyway, hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and I appreciate you watching. Take care, and if you have any tips for me on how to better do my gel nails, leave a comment below.